Kwamada ho seniors ye sinkunya e the matured and academic talk sports no so e Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsem e ya crowd of nsem Ghana League Fixtures na bo Club ya Asante Kotoko your first match ye ne Accra Lions the Baba Yara Sports Stadium yes baso the second match ye be call BBN yeah na ye dey apem so the year of Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye be fixture no with Accra Lions there within reach saving or the 3 points. Kumasi Sports presenters the maximum 3 points. Now Kumasi Sports presenters are similar making abemudia. Let's say mebaso. But mamemfa Kotoko news ka krebi or no. Emfemu mau. Kotoko players na you see pedaya momo. Finally, yenya dine bia momo about 30 rooms. Yes, 30 rooms no. Dino ewo Femisha side or as you say no IMC no IBBA Sika the exchange this week ya na sika the exchange there na say players November na BBA fine yes Kotoko Gimatic Fabu census na information bi ne namu ma men set records ni straight to say the Gimatic mpanyi for a set records ni straight and ne Monday amanfo bi ete chire no mo ya agenda enye fine Kotoko no asemu Dr. Kwamichi wabe ne de ekọ na na amponsa be ne de ekọ so we are sympathizer of these people say no mo past now you can still be having an emotional attachment with them so far the club is concerned amanfo agenda mo ye ne say Kotoko fabu census no dealer sikani bi eko Kotoko circles ho but enye no kra Gimatek di nchechemu aba na Gimatek say 85% of the money accrued money no 85% eko Kotoko ho and na 10% for the technical functionality of the platform. Then the 5% are about 900%. And no, it is for supporters mobilization. The biade ye bohu de wu yanko ha yenye say na ye kumkrasi ye register supporters. It forms part of the supporters mobilization. That's the 5%. This is supporters mobilization. No na. Amanfo bi person mo twisting no. No mo kaze. Kotoko no. Gimatic. Anase fabu census no ye tweske bi ama supporters mpanyifo no mo gese o mata so. Enya no kre. Promo na semba nkofo bitimi tugum na ye deja. But we call the bottom of the story no. Na enya sanity. So nchechemu amedia be me sure say we Kotoko fan it is understandable and it is reasonable 85% is enough money enko Kotoko because Kotoko ntia ye 10% no a technical a platform a whole technicalities hwan hosting and then IP hwan ni nyina no enko 10% 5% supporters mobilization they reach out for more supporters to get on board and Gimatic eko so chemu said it gets to a stage now then a gina na well stable 5% mobilization enko biom ni nyina no ebeba in the treasury of the club utumfo nyankopon amienti ase now ye hwe asebue Kumasi Asante Kotoko nche be season ase na ade ba akwa ha club no supporters enko stadium sa asebue ye ka na na amponsa management ye twami nan ne star ne say on the radio stations ND Lisa but empanyifo amo hwe video e da in the wu Kotokofo nye nema Kotokofo Sems Kofi Mensamo time Dr. Herbert Mensamo time Mr. Herbert Mensamo time Kumasi ye tradition no e ba sports a utimi nyi radio phone free mu those days Fox FM Capital Radio Lavin Simu Jolaka sometime ago traditionally yɛyɛ deɛ ne radio ɛnɛ yɛsi social media aba video a meyɛ video a wohwɛ ebi a wohɛ me fra burukyire but sɛ Kotoko yɛ kasi yɛ promote yɛ games ni nyinaa wɔ social media supporter na ɔte aburukyire there is no direct correlation for that supporter ɔte aburukyire but siyɛsi the radio phone ne bɛyɛ adwuma na obi ka sɛ Kotoko Manchester United yɛbɛbɔ a players ɛnkɔtena radio station to radio station. Manchester United and no omo tradition yɛ different. Maybe those days no the newspapers na publicize your games no mo nko radio but Kotoko na ye de Fred Doma ni nya supporters hebes time no ye de any radio enti oka say Manchester United emfa radio players nko radio so you are getting something wrong. Manchester United and the style of getting the people to the stadium no but here it has been a star so you can see a touching minimum whether I'm making sense obiano if you have your strength you work on your strength more but our strength and say reach out to me. They are inclined with the radio station. They listen to radio station more. Omo mutwa loto magazine for no be kono omo radio no esisi wo mutie. They don't have time for any online. Online ebe play the parts. But the radio station, just imagine Chroma Kotoko games weekend be ebe baswa. The sports stations Dolaka Kesben Kankambo do Pure FM Wuntumi FM Kineben na Kotoko players enter appearance. Now omo ko publicize games now. Kotoko players no they are the actors of the game. It is the actors of the game no near Joe Magum to the radio stations. No more granting interviews near the news near day. So it is going to be all over and it is going to create that ambience back. Na atmosphere no I filled with Kotoko. Online somehow Kotoko management price by obey I can see the online. Then the person in the bus stadium. It is about time for us to go back to what was working for us. Me bibia na de na working mamia. Minjai hwe. Me who's a lie we working mamia. Me boye. So the same thing Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Radio stations, traditional media, it works for the club. We say social media ba into what jive traditional media. No, Kotoko cannot be detached from radio stations. Kotoko cannot be detached from radio stations. Yeah, no. Kotoko Black Star Crab Boba. Pennyfo Bakruma, radio station to radio station. Omoko. It create the ambience and the vibe in the back. But what Kumasi say all their own social media. Papa no Timazi or Bonda Demon on social media no time. Obey you man, the radio station who say you on the gate, top or nursing ho baby, will be an opobeti and opafo, and you bet we have for it's an opafo once ya, or betting we have for. And I Kumasi so 10 beer open sports need tia obina. If you are not past 6 to another, open 10. Open sports with Kumasi obina. It's radio stations, Kotoko, IMC Abbey, Omuni Juma. And for it, a Bebuama attendance number, a Bebuama vibe number. I don't know what you think. You can leave your comments in the comment section. As I'm making, so only me idea, Pia video, Pia so. So only me idea, so and you did the attempt. And then you talk. But fire me, or comment section. Fire me. I don't know, Mrs. could be fire me, say, hey, why you space say, my space said, they, as someone no crana maker. My space said, they, Massa, a Kobasa and as a Muya Kotoko forward the attempt for no Mugu social media. No address issue, no miss space now, we can was him. 2 for Yanko phone. me and see, I see, you wish ya.